Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So I'm testing one final fragrance, so I'll still be using the tall skinny mold with piping. Today I'm testing Nature's Garden Tropical Blast. And I have to say I have some really high hopes for this one because out of the bottle it smells awesome. Can even smell coconut in it, but it doesn't darken. It really smells nice and strong too. Got a lot of good reviews, so I'm not terribly concerned about its behavior. Just hope that it holds up, and I think that it will. So instead of doing a beach scene, since I did one a couple of weeks ago, I'm going to try out a couple of colorants that I have not used before. One of them is Nurture Soap's Amaranth Pink. It was given to me, and I have not tried it yet. It's a light pink. Another one is Nurture Soap's Laurel Green, which was also a gift I haven't used yet. It's a light green. I don't know how it will behave. I don't know if it will turn that funky olive brown and then turn back. We'll see. Then I'm also using Brambleberry's Fizzy Lemonade, which is a nice bright yellow. And I'm using Nurture Soap's Orange Vibrance, which is a nice orange. That will be the body of the soap. And then to really set it off, I'm using the piping. I'm using Nurture Soap's Blue Vibrance, which is a beautiful blue. I love Nurture Soap's blues. So let's get to work and make some soap. Since I do believe that's going to behave well, I'm going to attempt a tiger stripe. And if for some reason I'm wrong and it doesn't behave and allow a tiger stripe, I'll have my hanger tool. I'll just mix it together with the hanger tool. Soaping about 87, just a little bit warmer than usual, but I should be okay. So let's start like usual by carefully pouring our lye water solution into our oils and rinsing the container. And we'll bring this to a light emulsification, color it, scent it, and pour it. And as usual, this first is for our piping. So I will pour it off and set it aside out of the way. And then these four will be the main soap. And we have that pretty well cleaned. So let's get into these. I am curious to see what these colors look like. And our green. last but not least, our orange. While I'm not making a typical beach scene, these colors do kind of remind me of bright, fun, warm, tropical colors. So I think we're going to be fine with these. So let me stir these in, lightest to darkest. I'll start with our yellow. Probably our green next. Pink. And our orange. And so far they're looking pretty good. I think they're going to make a nice looking soap, especially if I can do a tighter stripe with them. So, moment of truth. Let's see how our fragrance oil does. Once again, this is Tropical Blast from Nature's Garden. Save that for our frosting. So let's hand stir this first and see how it does. First of all, no ricing, which is always a good thing. And it doesn't seem to be accelerating, which I really did not think it would. Stir frosting just to kind of keep it fluid. And let's give this a very, very quick blast with the stick blender, especially the yellow, since it's not a mica, it's a powder and needs a little bit more blending. And actually, we are thickening a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm going to do a drops. Yeah, I'll definitely do a drop swirl. We're thickening. So let's hurry and drop this in. I was oh shoot, we're really thickening. So, oh boy, we are thickening. So let me get my spoon. I'm kind of torn now. I really was not expecting this degree of thickening. I gotta get this in this mold. Wow. So, if I buy this again, I will definitely know hand stir it only. Goodness. That really surprises me. Let me smack this down on the floor over here. And see if I can spoon swirl it. I'm not sure if I can. My gosh, it's a good thing I'm piping the top, because man, do I have an ugly top. But that should hopefully have everything patted down pretty well, and hopefully minimal or no air pockets. Wow. So, I'll shut us down and I'll make a soap frosting, and I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, so 9 hours later, we're ready to cut our soap. Wow, did that fragrance oil move. I hand stirred it into the piping and it accelerated, although it was at least somewhat manageable. But man, I've never had one accelerate like that. Especially one that's not supposed to. So let's see what the spoon swirl did, if it saved us. Yeah, colors are kind of muted. And as I kind of figured, we got some holes. But no worries, you know, it's a bar of soap. Whoever gets this will still enjoy it. So I can't exactly call this one a flop because I got a good bar of soap, but definitely not what I expected. But like it or not, that's what I have this week. So thanks for watching, everybody. Plan to do some hot pross mid next week, so hope to see you then. Take care of yourselves. Bye, everybody.